Yes, now next data file handling topic is your binary file. So we will start with binary file. Now a binary file student.dat has structured this, write a function countRec in Python that would read the contents and display. Now here you can see only in line 1 dash is given. Fill in the blanks in line 1. Line 1 it is given, it is in read mode. So we will read the file object. Now pickle.load is used to read. So here only LOAD you have to write here, small letter. You can see here line 1. What is line 1? You have to read and then you have to check. So for reading you will see the answer LOAD. Yes, the answer is LOAD, load. Clear? Next one is fill in the blanks in line 1. Now in line 1 you are creating the file, so you will use append or write. Now if it is asked to add at the end, yes, so you will use append and it is a binary file, so AB will be the answer. Yes, here the answer you can see, correct answer it is given at the end here, AB. So if it is an online exam, then you all know computer will check as per this answer. So whatever is given directly, like here double quotes is given to you, and mostly you will get MCQ. So you don't have to worry for typing the answers in November exam. If it is MCQ, 4 options will be given to you. Suppose here AB, then WB, RB plus, like this all the 4 options will be given to you. You have to select the correct option. So AB is the correct answer. Next question is line 2. Now line 2 you are checking if you have used and you are checking the condition author. Now you see here in this line author is 0, 1, 2. So author is the third value and book number, book name, author. So when we check first one, suppose book number, if you want to check, you will write here rec 0. If you want to check the book name, you will write rec 1. And since we are checking here the author name, that's why we have written here 0, 1, 2. So 2 will be the answer. So only 2, check it here. Yes, only 2 is the answer. Only fill in the blanks means only whatever is asked here, rest square bracket is given, so you don't have to write the complete syntax. Only wherever fill in the blanks dash is written, only that. So 2 you have to type here. Next question is, so this one is same. Now the syntax to open a binary file in append mode. Now you already know how to open the binary file. And file object, if it is given, then file equals to open, para.dat will be in double quotes, and append mode, so AB will be written in single quotes or double quotes. You can see here file equals to open in parenthesis para.dat and AB in single or double quotes. So both the answers here you can see, both the answers are correct in single quote or double quote. Next question is, write syntax to close a binary file para.dat opened in append mode and store in file object. Any file which you have to close it, what is the syntax? The object name, here the object name is file dot close and the empty parenthesis. Only this much. You can see the answer, file dot close empty parenthesis. Clear? So any file, suppose it is a text file or a binary file or a CSV file, you have to close it. It is open in any mode, append mode, write mode, read mode, any mode it is open, the answer will be same. That is the name of the file object. Here it is file. If it is F, you will write f.close. If it is file, you will write file.close. If it is FOBJ, you will write FOBJ.close and so on. So only the file object will be given to you and the closing of file will be only .close. I will add more binary file questions. So these type of questions. Now mode you already know, mode will be asked to open in append mode, to open in write mode, to open in read mode, to search any record. Suppose here only this question is asked to search a record. Now what you will write? Suppose I am copying it and I am Write syntax to search a record in a binary file. Tell me the answer. Write syntax to open a binary file. Open a binary file to search a record in append mode. It is not already opened. You have to open a binary file and the object is file. Now tell me the answer here. What will be the answer? You have to open the file, so equals to open, and then the name of the file is given to you, para.dat. So here you will write para.dat, and then if it is search means you have to open in read mode. For searching, for displaying, you will open in read mode. So here, since it is a binary file, I will write here RB. Clear? As well as I can add a second answer where this I can write in single quotes. So I will copy it from here, I will paste it here, and this I will put single quotes here. So both the answers will be correct. RB in single quotes, RB in double quotes, both will be correct. Like this, we will keep on adding more questions. We will solve many more questions of binary file. Clear? So like this, you just prepare all the questions of binary file. I will add, and next class I will show you more questions of binary files.